ASAP and tell you exactly what is happening. Welcome back to another video. Apologies in advance also, the content isn't, you know, as steady as I want at the minute. Viking views in it takes up all the time. Yo, go check that channel out, yeah, link in the description. If not, but I tell you what, here's something I've wanted to see for a little while. Let's show you. So we've got a nice Boeing 747 Negus livery. So this was part of the 100-year anniversary things in 2019 for British Airways, and obviously things didn't go too much to plan, obviously because of COVID, etc. But look, here we are. And what's good actually is Cotswolds Airport have actually bought this aeroplane. So they've saved it from scrap, man, in theory, so it's not getting scrapped. Although some of you might recognize this place over here. Go back and look at the channel, there's loads of videos over there. But come on, look at this. I'm excited to come and see it. It's gorgeous, and this is awesome, yeah. This is you can come here. This is a public viewing area. There's a cafe over there that you can go to, and this is actually in the process of being like turned into a business, really. You know, you can book it, hire it, you can do conferences here. I read something as well, there's gonna be a little bit of a cinema in it for school kids and stuff, so to educate them. So we've got Megs over here as well. Look, she's active. We'll get it done. But yeah, let's go and have a little show you. So what's cool as well is you've got all these little hangars, all the other planes around. Don't forget, you might come here on the off chance one of these are actually flying in to be dismantled. But this is awesome. I'm going to be excited when I can come here and actually get on board it and have a little look. Gotta love a speedbird, haven't you? That's absolutely gorgeous. Also, I apologise, yeah, I'm walking a bit slower than I normally am, because I tell you what, I've done something to my foot over the last couple of weeks. Not that they really want to know that, but I'm on a bit of a hop, to be honest with you. So, but don't worry, we're not moaning, we're not complaining, we still get it done. Yeah, there we go. Don't know what's happening down here. I'm not sure if there's a bit of fire training going on, because that's where the runway is, but there's a bit of smoke going on down there. A couple of light aircrafts also. But come on, check that. Awesome, I love that. Sheer scale on these as well, though, isn't it? That's what you don't realise, that's what you forget. I love as well that the one rotor blades in the engine are just going. Well, that's epic. Now, from what I can remember, first class, business class, obviously your premium and your coach ones there, you know, all the different ones. But I love British Airways. I've been lucky enough to fly on a Boeing 747 as well with Virgin Atlantic, but my last trip out to Vegas was on a Boeing 7, well, was with British Airways, sorry, not a Boeing 747, I can't even remember what it was. But yeah, that's pretty epic. As you can tell, I'm not happy. I am hopping, I'm in pain, but we're all good, we're getting it done. Yeah, literally, you can see a plane over there in the distance. That's the main tower as well. And there's a cafe around here as well. You can actually go and have some food. And literally over there in the distance, that's all the planes waiting to be broke up. But there we go, that's a little bit of a video. Wanted to come and show you. There's no point in me, I could drag this out and speak a load of gibberish on it, but it is what it is. I think it's done, you know? But I'm excited, I was in the area, I'm glad I've come to do it. Hope everyone's doing well. As I said, Viking views, head over and have a look. If not, I tell you what, yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please consider it. A lot more of this stuff coming up. Derelicts, van life, travelling, all that sort of things. So yeah, stick around, it's going to be some cool stuff. Until next time, posh.